Imagine a place where adrenaline meets paradise. Welcome to Zipline Cabo Verde. This isn't just a zipline, it's a rush of freedom. Feel the wind, the speed, the pure joy of flying over one of the most stunning views on Earth. Your adventure starts here. A climb, a deep breath, and then you leap. For those few seconds, you're unstoppable. And after the thrill, the party begins. Cold drinks, local flavors, and stories you'll tell forever. Ready to write your story? Book now.
Come on, me and run away.